Hey everyone, in the previous video of the series, we just checked whether our installs were installed correctly by printing hello world, and it worked well for us. So in this video, we will just store a string in a variable and then print it. So it's just a way to learn how to use how to use variables. So let's just start. So I've got this file here with me, which essentially I'll just remove everything. And we'll just create a variable called variable1 is equal to and we'll just go here and print and you can see it's just pycharm is just giving us some hints, so we can sort of just click on that. And it says you can add type for variable. So if I click it, you can see it's just saying it's a string variable. You don't essentially need to do this. The program will still work without it, but it's just for readability, and any other person who's sort of trying to work on your program will be better able to work with it. So let me just copy this first, and then I'll just get rid of this just to show you. So and let's just run this. And you can see it's just printed hello world with an exit code of 0, which means the program ran successfully. And what I can do is, let's just call it 1. So, and let's just run this one now. And you can see it just printed hello world 1. So it's just good for readability that we've sort of typecasted the variable. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing, or do let me know if you want me to take certain specific topics. Thanks again. Bye.